Alright, this is part 2 of building our walls. So we're on the home stretch here. All we need to do now is throw a couple more studs in and put our top plates on. So I was looking at this long wall here and I was thinking what we should do. Typically you do, like I said, 16 on center, but since it's just such a small distance and we're not going to use a full sheet of sheeting, what we can do is just place our little studs above our floor joists. That way it makes it stronger and they're still pretty evenly spaced. So let's do that. So let's go ahead and add our little guide points by clicking on the tape measure and selecting right here, dragging to the right. If you remember, it's 1 foot 8 inches, so 1 foot 8, enter. And now we just need to do one more. 1 foot 8. Remember, the foot symbol is left of enter. Now we have our 2 little guide points. Let's go ahead and select this stud here and just copy and paste it. And zoom in here. Okay, I'm just going to snap it off to the right side. I snapped it to this far edge. Now I'm going to find the center of it and snap it to that point. You can do Control V to paste again. Once again, it wants to snap on that far edge, so I'm going to snap it over there. Now I'm going to snap the center of this to that guide point. Okay, and we might add some more studs in here later, but for now let's do our top plates. So it'll be easy enough for, we just got to figure out how we want them to lock. We're going to want to do a double top plate. One, it adds extra strength for the trusses or rafters to rest on, but another thing that it does is it helps interlock or lock your walls together. So I think the way we'll do this is we'll make a full length top plate on the 2 ends, and then we'll overlap this middle wall on those. So that'll be easy enough. What we can actually do is we can select this bottom board and we can right click on that and copy and paste that. And we can just put it in place up here and add one over here. So I did Control V and pasted the extra one over here. And then we can take and copy this one as well. Copy and paste. We can place it up here. Okay, and now we can make a 5 foot one that will run the full length to lock the tops of those. So here we go. So we're going to go ahead and look from the top, draw little rectangle, and this one is 5 feet, comma 3.5. And some of you guys might run into this issue. I typed it in backwards, so I could draw another one or I could rotate this. I think I'm just going to rotate it. I'm going to go down here to my rotate tool, select this. Uh-oh, that's not right. Okay, so for some reason it attached it to, I had my top plate selected too, that's why. Alright, so I'm going to do Control Z. Oop, nope, go forward. Okay, let's just redraw it. So if I look down the bottom right, it's actually doing the width and then the length. So I need to do 3.5 comma 5 feet. Extrude that up, 0.75. Select the entire thing, paint it, wood color, right click, make a component. This one is going to be our D top. Let's do this. Let's do 5 foot double top plate. Now we just need to move it into place. Okay. So as you can see, that now locks this long wall into this short wall. They overlap right there. Now we can take and put 2 short top plates right there. So let's go ahead. Actually, let's draw them the direction that they're going to be. So these ones, I believe, are, well, we need to figure out that measurement first. So I'm going to come over here, do my measurement tool there. So they're 2 feet 2.5. Double check I snapped that in the right place. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so let's make 2 that are 2 feet 2.5. So 2 foot 2.5 comma 3.5. .75. Paint it the right color. Right click on it, make it a component. This is our double, or we'll just say short double top plate. Now we just need to move it in place. Okay, it's wanting to be a little stubborn, so I'm going to get in close so I can really see this. Alright. Now I'm going to copy and paste that. And it looks like it's wanting to put it right here. Okay, so there we go. Once you finish that, go ahead to the next video.